my name is Rin Young Yu from South Korea, and I participated in the Council of UNICEF as a delegate of Colombia. And I got the award for the best position paper, and it was really unexpected, and I feel so grateful for this award. During the conference, the overall experience was really enjoyable, and I really enjoyed the debate session and all the networking with other delegates. And I really recommend you this conference because overall experience, it's the best experience that you can get as a youth delegate. So see you in the next AYIMUN. Bye.
Hi, my name is Suyik from Malaysia, and I joined UNICEF representing China. And I just got the verbal commendation for my conference. Then I feel like I'm so proud to won an award, which I deserve. And then what I feel about joining UNICEF is that I get to voice out about the problems in education and how I could help out the children in need all around the world, and how could I improve their lives and their futures. So all the best, and I'll see you in the next conference.
Hi, my name is Chloe Ramadania Jalal. I'm from Indonesia, and I'm the delegate of Portugal in UNICEF. I won the Most Outstanding Delegate Award, and honestly, I'm very shocked by the award. I came here mostly for the experience, to get to see new people, to get to, delve deep into global issues and seething debate, and I think I got a lot. I was very satisfied on that. I came out of the debate very happy, having met new people and shared new perspectives, especially global perspectives. And I didn't really expect an award because I thought there was a lot that I could improve on and a lot of areas where I wasn't truly confident in. So this is honestly a very great surprise. I'm very thankful not only for this opportunity and for this award, but for the people that I met and the connections that I made and the discussions that I had and the intellectual stimulation that I got from AYIMUN. See you at the next conference, AYIMUN 14.
Hi, my name is Heram Lee from South Korea, and I'm representing Cuba in the committee of UNICEF, and I've just received the award of Best Delegate. I did not expect this award at all, and I'm so grateful for the chairs and all of the people I've met at AYIMUN. And I think the best part about AYIMUN is the connections you get to make. You meet so many different people from so many different countries, and I feel like that is the best part of joining AYIMUN. See you at the next conference!